Hello friends, we are back with our part 2 video of Tux Paint Basics. In the part 1, we have learnt about some basic tools of Tux Paint from the lower part of the left side of the toolbar. That was how to create a new drawing in Tux Paint, how to open the previously made drawings in Tux Paint, and use of other buttons like undo, redo, erase, and how to print the image drawn, save the file, as well as how to quit the Tux Paint program. So in this video we are going to learn the leftover tools of Tux Paint like paint tool, stamp tool, line tool, shapes tool, text and label tool, fill color tool, as well as the magic tool, which is the most important part of Tux Paint, and it is really a magical tool. Let's see the video.
Coming to the paint option, in paint option, now when I clicked on paint, if you see on the right hand side there are different brushes available. We can see different brushes with different styles and different sizes are available. We can click on any one of them to enhance our drawing, to improve our drawing. Right? For example, I want to draw anything. I am choosing some bright color like this. Whatever I want to draw, this one. See, it is producing some now sound also. I am choosing a bigger brush. As we choose in different drawings, as we choose in a different drawing, in the same way we can choose different brushes here also. If I want to put some arrow in line like this, if I want to put some triangles in my drawing in built of same size, then I can use these triangles. Similarly, there are different options like this matte type options, round, some animals are there. I can choose the color also, change the color. In which direction I will move my cursor, in the same direction my animal will point out. This is the third one. These are some inbuilt patterns. It helps to enhance our drawing. This one, you can choose any color also. These are some inbuilt flowers to decorate our drawing. You can also use them as star. How much we use Tux Paint, depending on that, we can use more and more. Practice in practice mode to make it more. There are different brushes. See, I am showing it to you. You can use any one. This can be used to make clouds or bubbles, anything else. Footsteps. One more. Another more. Right? Some heart shape in the line, some pentagon, hexagon shapes. You can use any, there are different options. Some spirals to make different patterns. Fine. This was all about the paint tool in Tux Paint. Now coming to the stamp tool. Stamp means some inbuilt figures are there which we can use in our drawing. This cartoon mascot is there of different styles. See, they can be used in our drawing with different actions. If I want to change its direction, then I'll click on this one. Like it is now pointing to the right side. If I want that its hand should be on the left side, then I click on this option and it will change its direction. See, wherever I want to place, I can place that one. I can increase or decrease its size also from this option. These. For example, I have selected this mascot and I'm clicking on this. See, it has become so big. If I want to undo, then I'll undo from here. You can change the size from here. I'm putting it here. This is how we can use stamp tool in Tux Paint. Now the next is line tool. If I want to draw straight lines, the common thing in paint and line is the brushes. The right side bar is the common tool. Come to the first. By using paintbrush, we cannot draw some straight lines properly, but by using line, we can use the straight lines. Like this. See, my straight lines have been drawn. For example, I want to draw a hut. Then I can draw using the straight lines. And now we can fill the colors. In the straight line also there are the same tools available which were in paint. So we can use them as per our choice. Coming to the next tool, but before that I want to take a new page. Coming to the shapes tool. Now to draw the shapes, we have different shapes available here. We can draw shapes of two types. One is unfilled and the other is filled. See, I am hovering my mouse, I am rotating my mouse over there. This is the unfilled shape and this is filled shape. And there are two options to draw shape. One is from the center of the shape like this. It will extend on its both sides or the sides equally. Another option if I click on this one to draw from the corner. It will draw from the corner. Shapes will be same, but there are two different ways only to draw the shapes. We can draw any shape of our choice. There are different shapes available: square, rectangle, circle, oval or ellipse you can say. The next is triangle, pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, octagon, see, square. Every shape is there. Rhombus, star, 3-pointed star, 4-pointed star, 5-pointed star, and both the shapes are of two types: filled and unfilled. Now coming to the text tool and label tool. If I want to write some text, then I will use text tool or label tool. My text tool is there. I want to write ICE, but now it is appearing. I want to make it bold, then I can click on these different letters options available. There are different font styles and font sizes available like this. If I want to decrease the size, I will click on this. If I want to increase the size, I will click on this upward arrow. See, my size is increasing. I can click on the other font styles also. It is my own choice, whatever I want to use. When you have selected everything, then press enter on the keyboard. It will be placed. Now label. Label is same as text, similar to text. So it's time for the next tool, that is magic tool. And for that I have taken a new page. It is really a magic for the kids. First of all, I would like to show that how we can use the different options of the magic tool. Coming on the right side, when we click on this left arrow and this right arrow, we can get some different options. Starting from this bricks. If we want to draw some bricks pattern anywhere like this, it will be drawn. We can change a bit of color also. Coming to the next, rainbow. You can draw rainbow. This is also something rainbow, smooth rainbow. You want to write something in calligraphy, then you can write. You can use this as a brush also. For example, I'm writing C, E. So this is just like a calligraphy brush. Ribbon is also just like the same to type something. Fine. It will work like the ribbon. To draw some crescent shape, we use this crescent shape. Fine. Every magic tool come with a different sound. To draw smooth lines, we can use smooth lines. To draw loops, to draw spirals. To decrease the spiral size, we can decrease it from here. Extreme bottom right. To want to more decrease it more. Similarly, we can use square, spirals, concentric circles, and various options. If we want to draw some rain, then rain with a different sound. To draw some foam like water bubbles. To draw some grass. To draw some fur. Like this, we can draw, and we can use many tools to draw maze, fretwork, rails, to draw wet paint, hearts, stars, sparkles, to draw sparkles near it. So we can use any one of the magic options. Coming to the next, there are some kaleidoscopes, roselet, Picasso. See, it is drawing the different sounds. This is one important tool, blind, where we want to make some blinds. See, it is drawing something blind. Right? Some checkboard on the screen like this. I'm undoing it. You want to draw some snowflakes, some snowballs, that also they can be used. For that I'm filling a background color. Now going again to the magic tool and using snowball to show it to you. This is checkboard and this is snowball. Similarly, I am undoing it. Similarly, I can use snowflakes in my drawings to draw some Christmas scene, or you can use them as stars also to draw night scene. The next, some other options, 3-point select, 2-point select, we can use in our drawings at a high level. To draw flowers, I am showing you to draw flowers with different colors. See, it can be used to draw some flowers. To draw googly eyes, for example, I want to draw googly eyes in this crescent shape, then I can use this googly eyes. Right now the eyes of googly eyes is very large size. See, I am drawing. It is very large. If I want to decrease the size, I will decrease it. But first I am doing undo. Now, to decrease the size, coming on the right bottom corner, this we can use to decrease the size. Now I am drawing in it. It will draw googly eyes. To draw a real rainbow, it can be used in the drawing. It can be used in various drawings. Another rainbow is also there. See, rainbow has been drawn. To show some lightning effect. In every tool of Tux Paint, there is some sound also to create interest of the kids. These are the sounds of funny sounds, musical sounds, very nice. To show some tornado effect. How interesting it is, the sound of tornado. So we can use any one of these options in our drawings to enhance our drawing, to smudge the color, blocks, fisheye, glass tiles. There are various options. Clicking on these arrows. This was about magic tool. Coming on the new page. To use the fill tool, I am drawing any shape. I'm drawing one circle. Now filling the color using fill tool. There are 4 to 5 options available in the fill tool, 5 to 6. First is solid. If you want to fill the solid color, then click on solid. The color will be filled. If you want to fill it using brush tool, then you can use the brush tool. Some other color. First I am undoing it. Right? So it will be filling the color. If you want to fill the radial color or linear color, linear type in the linear style or radial style, then you can use this. This is linear and this is radial. In the form of radius, in the form of circle, it will fill the color. Another one is shaped. Shape means we want to fill the color in the form of the shape which you have drawn, then it will be drawn. The last one is eraser. You want to erase this part, then it will be erased. See how beautiful it is looking when erasing. So this is about fill tool and some basic tools of Tux Paint which we can use in our drawing. Thank you. Now I am quitting. For quit, I'm quit. If it is asking, do you really want to quit? Yes or no, that is your choice. I am done with the drawings, so I am quickly quitting it. Yes, I am done. You want to save? If I have not saved, it will ask. Yes, we'll save it. No, no, no. I don't want to save. So I'm clicking on cross. No.